What's up, everybody? I'm Matt Dean with American Campfire Creations. Today I'm going to go explore some of the mountain ranges that are around us here at the campground. Gonna ride up this way, up and through the hills a bit, go all the way back around, and come down the other side. Just kind of see what's around us, explore a little bit, you know, get out, get some exercise. It's a little warm out here still, but you know, I got plenty of water on me and sunscreen and should be fine. So we're gonna explore. I'll video record a little bit of the trails on the bike here and probably do a little bit of body exercises when I get back. I'll be posting the exercises that I'm gonna be doing today in the description here, but yeah, gonna show all the feet of me going around some of the hills here. Nothing too crazy, but you know, still should be pretty entertaining. So like always, don't forget to subscribe, check out some of my other videos. Follow me on Instagram at American Campfire Creations. And yeah, let's go have some fun. So I made it up here to the top of a deceivingly steep hill coming up from the flat area where we have our RV parked. It looks like it's tapering off a bit back here behind me. We're gonna keep going down this trail all the way up to the tip of that peak over there, and then around and back over this way back into the little valley here where we're sitting. Now we got a nice place right here over to the far left corner, and you can see all the mountain ranges that go all along this way here. The camera doesn't really do them justice, but the views here are amazing. You can see Lake Havasu over here in the distance, and over there is where most of the civilization and stuff like that is, which isn't really too far, about 10 minutes from us. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and continue on the bike ride here. All right, well, made it all the way up here to the top of the ridge. You guys love these views, right? All the way out there is Lake Havasu. All the way down the hill here. Pretty steep ride. All the way down to where the trailer's at, way over here. A couple miles at least. So it'll be a couple miles back. It's awesome up here. It's hot, but awesome. I would have loved to have kept going on. As you can see, the trail keeps going, but way too hot out here to be out for an extended amount of time. And I really just wanted to get a good workout, a nice breather in, and get some of this beautiful mountain air. Check out the views. And now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and head back. Of course, while I'm up here, I thought, hey, might as well tell you a little bit about my bicycle that I actually ride. This is a outroad snow bike and sand bike, which means these fat tires here, they're 26 by 4-inch wide, are great for pedaling in softer terrain. I use it up here on the mountains and beaches and things like that, and I have no issues whatsoever. The fat tires let me glide right over soft surfaces and rocks and sand and all that, no problem. I'm 6 foot, so the bike fits me perfectly. But yeah, I haven't had any issues with it so far. I might get some more rugged tires later on down the road, but the ones that came with it are actually great. I might end up upgrading the pedals and maybe the handle grips, but I haven't had any issues with them so far. I ended up getting one of these rechargeable LEDs that are really, really bright. and a rear one as well. The seat that came with it was actually super comfortable. Has this nice handle on the back for easily moving the bicycle up and down off my bike rack on the back of the RV. But yeah, definitely like this bike a lot. Ended up getting me a iPhone holder, and I always keep a walkie-talkie with me when I go out on my bike rides by myself. That has a 16-mile radius so that me and the wife can keep in communication just in case my phone goes dead. And then yeah, that's my bike. Pretty cool. I'll post in the description a list of some of the body workouts I'm going to do when I get back. And yeah, I will see you guys at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, American Campfire Creations. And you guys be easy, all right?